Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you're a new visitor to my channel, welcome again. If you love fashion, if you love luxury, I so hope that you will love my channel as well. And if you're a return subscriber and supporter to my channel, thank you so very much guys. I truly appreciate your support. And in today's video, I want to share with you my current collection of Chanel handbags. In this video, I'm not going to include any SLGs or any costume jewelries. I just want to talk a little bit of my Chanel handbags, my current collection. If I'm truly satisfied with my current collection, what would be my next hope to obtain, what would be my next Chanel bags that I'm hoping to obtain. So, and I start obviously with my unicorn handbag in my collection, and it's very special because it's a gift obviously from my loved one, and I truly appreciate it. And this is my medium large classic flap with a gold hardware, and it's in a black and caviar. And this is also extremely special because this handbag is actually made in France. I absolutely adore this handbag. It's really icing on a cake when you receive classic handbag, especially when it's made in France, because it's very special. So I'm just gonna come a little bit closer to the camera, and obviously you guys all know this handbag, but just to give you a little bit of eye candy, absolutely love this handbag, absolutely love this handbag. So that's my bag number one. I'm absolutely in love with this handbag. My bag number two is my Chanel Trapezio, and this handbag made in Italy. It's made of goat skin. So this is actually the only one handbag in my collection with the goat skin, and it has kind of antique gold hardware. It's not even like distressed. It's not distressed because it's still shiny, but it's somewhat antique. And this bag organization inside has, it's a seasonal, first and most it's seasonal, and it has organization similar to pochette métisse, and I will show you. So obviously it has an extra top handle, and the detached handles is actually crossbody, and inside it has three fairly large compartment, and it's somewhat reminds me somewhat of pochette métisse. Very nice handbag. I'm gonna come once again a little bit closer to the camera to show for you guys. And it's kind of in a dark blue color. It doesn't have a back pocket, but the quilting is very puffy, and the middle compartment can be zipped, and then there is another two compartment, just a slip compartment. And I absolutely adore this handbag. It's somewhat dressy casual, because that's what I said. If I want to be dressy, I can remove this detachable shoulder strap and even go in, like, to restaurants or something in the evening time. But with that shoulder strap, because it doesn't have any link chains, so it looks very casual. And I mostly wear this with my denim when I want to be casual, but at the same time, just that hint of luxury that I'm wearing my Chanel bag. I truly love this handbag. And this handbag I actually got pre-loved from UOG Closet, and I got an exceptional deal, so I'm very happy with this purchase. My bag number three is Chanel Vanity case, and it's in size medium. So it's the one between smaller one and the larger one. It's in the size medium, and it's from Filigree Collection. So I really love that I have something from Filigree Collection, and mine is in the black caviar with kind of, once again, antiquish looking gold hardware. What I did, I removed the lock from this clochette because it's very heavy, and I just attached it to the side just like that. and I still have a stickers on my logo. Please guys, don't judge me. And I find that this is actually very neat. It just gives that extra bag charm, you know, on the side of the bag. And at the same time, it doesn't make this clochette so heavy, and it's constantly banging at the front of the bag, and once again preventing any potential scratches, etc. And this bag is mostly shoulder bag. I can make it crossbody, but obviously it looks weird, and it has very cute handles that if I need it, I can handle, like, you know, wear it by my hand, but by the handle. So, and it's once again, it's a perfect transition day to night, because it could be like really funky bag with any casual outfit. But then once again, if you're gonna wear a little black dress, or, you know, in the summer, a little white dress and this bag and black shoes, you will be fine. So I really love this handbag. Just a little bit closer to the camera, guys. Once again, show for you. And I really love the caviar leather on this bag, because it's kind of like a little bit softer. And on those CCs right at the end, there is also a little engraving of the double C. And yeah, that's about it. The only one thing I wish about this bag, if the shoulder strap could be detachable. I'm thinking actually Chanel missing a big time on not doing their like, you know, handbags with detachable shoulder strap and selling an additional shoulder strap, like as Fendi does, or many other fashion houses like Dior, Fendi, etc. So I really wish one day they're gonna start doing fully detachable shoulder straps and selling an additional shoulder strap. Because say, this could be just a black handbag, and, you know, I could put some kind of funky shoulder strap with the different color, and it could be totally different look, you know, for the outfit, for the summer, etc, etc, or matching outfit, or the color of the outfit. I truly wish if Chanel, like, you know, come with this idea, doing an additional shoulder straps. So that's my bag number 3, and if I didn't mention, it's once again made in Italy. My bag number 4 is my Chanel Coco handle in chevron pattern in so black hardware, and this is size small. They call it size small, but it's fairly decent size. It's just slightly under the size of the jumbo, so it holds almost the same amount as a jumbo. So, and it's a perfect size, I believe, for my body frame and for everyday use. But it's, once again, it could be casual for the work, and it could be very dressy. I love that it has a handle, and the handle is actually big enough that I can sleep even on the crook of my arm. I love that there is a shoulder strap, and this is a shoulder strap I can definitely very comfortable wear on my shoulders. I can do it also crossbody, but crossbody it's a little bit short, but I still can do it if I need it. Let's say if I would be in a situation where I need completely hand-free setting, I can do it crossbody. What's great about this handbag that the shoulder strap is fully detachable, and if I want, I can substitute this shoulder strap with some other shoulder strap. For instance, in my latest video when I did talk about repair of my recent repair of this handbag, and if you want, guys, I'm gonna link that video below, repair of my handbag, and they handle repair very nicely. I also attach my Fendi shoulder strap, and I wear my Fendi shoes, so which is perfect, like, you know, accent. And that's what I mean, like, you know, I wish if Chanel do more shoulders straps separately, so that you can mix and match. Let's say with this bag I can put any shoulder strap matching my shoes, and it would be full outfit. But unfortunately Chanel, they don't do shoulder straps, so I have to substitute with somebody like, you know, some other fashion houses. But that's what I said, I really love that about this bag. At the back also, once again, you have Mona Lisa smile pocket, which is that classic element. In the inside you have 3 compartments. In the middle there is a zip compartment. At the back there is a smaller compartment with the slip pockets and slip zip pocket, and at the front also there is another compartment with the 2 slip pockets and the pocket for the lipstick. The exactly elements of the so I absolutely adore this handbag. And obviously my classic Chanel medium is my unicorn bag, but if I would have had only one Chanel handbag, one, you know, I cannot afford any other. If I have to sell everything, it would be this bag, because for everyday use, or I mean, it just generally, I can wear it anywhere, anytime. So it's definitely my Chanel Coco handle, and I love that it's in black. And this black is kind of slightly iridescent. It just gives that shimmer of kind of grayish undertone. And because it's a super black hardware, once again, it goes with absolutely everything. So I love this bag, and this bag once again made in Italy. My next handbag is my Chanel Mini, and this bag is made of lamb skin, and this is the only one handbag I have in lamb skin. And this handbag once again with the silver hardware, and this is the only handbag from Chanel that I have with the silver hardware. This handbag made in Italy, and it's Chanel square handbag. If I would get another mini bag, it's definitely going to be rectangular. In this case, my collection would be complete. And when I was buying this Chanel handbag, in one of my videos also I show that I was trying on, there was another one with the chevron pattern and the gold hardware. And once again, being frugal, I thought, no, I cannot buy 2 handbags at the same time. But thinking today, I wish if I purchase both of them, because they have totally different looks, like, you know, quilting with the silver hardware and chevron pattern with the gold hardware. They look totally different, and I have a bit regrets that I didn't buy the second one. But I'm very happy that I have this little cutie in my collection. And this handbag, as I said, it's a perfect handbag if you need to go for special occasion, but on that special occasion you cannot leave your handbag on a table, because, you know, it's not a private occasion, let's say, right? When you have a bunch of other people, like, you know, roaming around, etc, etc. So I would say that would be the perfect handbag, and I'm very grateful that I have this handbag in my collection. Very happy about this little cutie. My last, definitely not least, it's my latest purchase. It's my Coco handle in beige color with laser embossed handle, and this is my latest purchase. I'm extremely happy that I purchased this handbag. This is my second Coco handle. As you saw, I had Coco handle in so black with chevron pattern, but they totally look different, definitely, when you put them together. By the way, guys, if you want me to do comparison between these 2 bags, actually, let me put it here. By the way, guys, if you want me to do comparison between these 2 bags, please put your comments below. I will definitely do comparison between these 2 bags. So I will continue with my latest purchase. Once again, I did mention in a couple of my other videos, but that recently I noticed that Chanel caviar leather getting a little bit more softer, more kind of like pliable, almost feels like lamb caviar leather, if it makes any sense, because, you know, caviar leather made of calf skin, so it's much softer, and I definitely appreciate that. And this handbag, as I mentioned, it's in a beige caviar, and it's kind of like a shimmery color. There is a sheen to it, and it's with antique gold hardware. and inside it's also once again beige. So the standard 3 compartments, and I'm absolutely in love with this handbag. It's my first light color Chanel handbag, and I'm so excited. And say, if I would choose just one, you know, summer handbag, it's definitely going to be this handbag as per today. Because I think you cannot go wrong with this handbag, because it handles pretty much everything what you need for daily needs and even more. And it can be casual, it can be dressy, you name it, this handbag can be anything you want. So that's about it. That's my current Chanel handbag collection. And as you can see, I have 4 Chanel handbags, and they are in the 4 black Chanel handbags. I have 1 blue and I have 1 beige. I definitely looking forward to add more fun colors to my collection, Chanel handbags, but you know, one step at a time. I hope guys that you enjoyed this video today, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate, put all your questions below, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye bye.